Hello and welcome back everybody. In this class I just want to teach you about the basic syntax of PHP. So let us open the Notepad++. First of all, if you just want to type anything inside PHP or any programming you want to create in PHP, so you have to know about the PHP starting tag and the ending tag. And actually in between these tags we can type anything of PHP and that will work. Okay, we can't type anything out of these tags, but we have the option to create another PHP tag. Then obviously we can start this back. Okay, now we have two PHP tags, so definitely we can type PHP 2 times, okay, but not out of these tags. Okay, so this is the way to work in PHP, the PHP tags. And then the second important rule in PHP is that when you end any statement in PHP, you have to use the semicolon. You must use the semicolon. Okay, I'm just removing this. And the third thing is, if you just want to plus or multiply or anything you want to do with your integer numbers, then just type the value 4 plus 9 and then add the semicolon. And now it is actually 4 plus 9 means 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, this is actually 13. Okay, so actually this is not 4 plus 9, this is 13 because you used an operator in PHP. So be careful when you use about the operator. I just want to see that it is working or no, so I'm just going to the browser back and just typing the address localhost and PHP and then press enter. I'm not getting anything. Why I'm not getting anything? That can be a problem. I'm going to the notepad back, and actually as I said to you that we have to use the echo sign or echo statement actually if we just want to show anything in the browser, or actually we want to echo anything, so we have to use the echo command. So right now I'm just clicking on the notepad and just in the browser and just clicking on refresh button. I'm getting the result. Okay, so actually it is really important to know that echo can solve all of your problems, actually all of your display problem. It can show anything. Then there is another command like echo, which is called the print command. Okay, by using the print command you can do the same. You can print anything like you can echo anything. Okay, there isn't any difference between them. So right now I'm just using the print command and just typing 13 plus 5 or whatever value. I added the semicolon here and I'm just going to the browser and refreshing that. Now I'm getting 13 plus 13 and 18. Okay, why the 18? Because 13 plus 5 is 18. So definitely I'm getting the value of these two solutions. But the thing is that why they are showing in single line? Just because PHP don't care of these extra line space. This is called the white space in PHP, and PHP doesn't care of the white spaces. Okay, if you just want to add the line break, you have to do some other things, and I will teach you what to do. But at this time, if I remove this semicolon from here, or for example I just forgot to add, okay, just suppose that I forgot and I'm refreshing that, now I'm getting the result. That means it is working without the semicolon. Oh, if I remove the semicolon from here as well, now I'm removing this, I'm just refreshing this. Now this is not actually error, this is my machine's problem. Refresh that back. Now this is the actual error which I'm just getting. Unexpected print. Okay, what is PHP is telling that unexpected print? Expecting is a comma or a semicolon in line number 3. Okay, PHP was expecting a comma or semicolon, not expecting a print. Actually, now you can see that if I just add the semicolon and save that, and if I just refresh that back, I'm getting the result. But why when I just remove the semicolon from there and I was just getting the result still? Just because that this is automatically closing. You can see that PHP is closing there, so the last statement actually don't and really need the semicolon, but the preferred way is to add the semicolon everywhere for making your document readable. But here actually there isn't any next command after this print command, that is why it is not getting any error. Okay, the problem is that echo is having no problem if you just remove this line. The print is having, okay, so obviously after the print there isn't any command to have any problem. That is why I'm not getting any error, but the recommended way to add the semicolon there. Let's just refresh that back, and now I'm getting the perfect result. So this is the basic syntax of PHP, and by the way there are a lot of functions or a lot of statements in PHP, and all of them have different syntaxes, but the basic thing that I just told you. So in the next class I'll learn some more things. Stay tuned and goodbye.